It was a coincidence. My brother and I were walking on the street, and he would ride in a horse and buggy, and supposedly he had a special affinity to youngsters. So he gave my brother a coupon for a bread. And that was the only time that I met him. There was a lot of talk against him. It was pretty much a dictatorship. He followed the orders that the Germans gave him. He was really their instrument. Now there's a great deal of thinking about would as many people from Lodz, I being one of them, have survived if not for Rumkowski, if he hadn't kept the ghetto going until August of '44. Lodz was really one of the last remnants of Jews. I'm ahead of myself, but if I had gotten to Birkenau at an earlier age, I probably would not have survived the selection at all. This way I had a chance because I got to be about 14. If I'd gotten to Birkenau at 12, I probably wouldn't be here today.